Applying concealer directly onto discolored dark circles often leaves them looking grey and powdery. Combat this by adding a simple prep step, color correction. We are using the color correcting concealer from Insight Cosmetics that's priced at $1.99 only. Apply a bit of orange under the eyes and blend this out. Now follow up with a concealer that matches your skin tone. Blend this with a small brush so you get the best coverage and precision. Just look at the difference now. If you haven't got your hands on a concealer, this hack is just what you need in a beauty crisis. Mix a bit of your loose powder into foundation and watch its consistency get thicker. This can now be used to conceal dark circles because we've just boosted its coverage. This lifesaver can also help you save some money on concealers. This is a great alternative to a regular color corrector. A pinker blush will combat your bluish under-eye circles. Simply mix a bit of any blush with your concealer and apply this as you'd apply a normal concealer. We've used the affordable NYB Creme blush to achieve this look. This pinky touch is great for a youthful and doll-like appearance. Did you know you can also use your contour shade to combat your dark circles? Use the contour shade right under the eyes to normalize this area and then follow up with a lighter concealer to brighten. This will look blended and it's ideal for people with cool skin tones too. With dark circles now concealed, our next hack will show you how to give yourself an at-home facelift. We are using this lightweight and brightening Lotus Concealer to achieve this look. Make upward strokes near your mouth, on the side of your nose and near the eyes. This will make your face look brighter, more elongated and slimmer. Welcome back to the Glamrs giveaway, and the 3 lucky winners this week have a chance to win amazing beauty hampers by Glamrs, and all you need to do is be subscribed and comment below what's your favorite hack from this video. Here are the winners from last week: Khushi Karan, Stuti K and Avadi Shah. Make sure you email us your details at live@glamrs.com. Congrats! Dark circles don't stand a chance against these hacks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous. And for more glamorous makeup videos, click the box on the right and tap the circle below to subscribe. And finally, tap the bell icon so you never miss a new glamorous update.